Want to sell online? Go to Wix.com today and do it like this guy.
Oh my God!
This is Asspizza. He's a 21-year-old designer who created his online store with Wix. He sold 4,000 items in just 24 hours. What? 4,000 items in just 24 hours? Go to Wix.com to create your online store. Let me show you how. With Wix stores, you can showcase the products you want to sell and get paid online. Keep track of your inventory and manage your store with useful insights from your dashboard. Wix Chat lets you communicate on the go, and it's a great way to build customer relationships. You'll always be ready to catch leads and close sales. To grow your brand and stay ahead of the competition, Wix gives you a personalized, easy-to-follow SEO plan to get you found online. Use these and hundreds more features and apps to bring your vision to life. Go to Wix.com to create your professional website today.